morning and a very warm welcome. You're watching Janata Television and this is the English Bulletin with me, Anustha Acharya. The top stories first. Coronavirus claims 33 more lives across the country. Number of active cases rises to 38,000. Government imposes prohibitory order in 23 districts. Restrictions imposed partially in 4 places. 43 teams granted permission to scale Mount Everest. Climbers to begin their expedition this week. Car bomb kills 30 people in Afghanistan. High school students among those killed. And 10-man Southampton frustrate Leicester in Premier League. Vestergaard controversially sent off after just 10 minutes. And now the news in detail. The government yesterday confirmed 5,657 new cases of coronavirus across the country, a report. The total cases of coronavirus in the country have climbed to 323,187, while the number of active cases has increased to 38,813. According to the Ministry of Health and Population, altogether 281,095 infected persons have recovered from the disease in the country so far. The death toll from coronavirus has climbed to 3,279 as 33 fatalities were reported yesterday. Nepal is currently among the top 51 countries that have been most affected by the pandemic. The USA tops the list with over 33 million confirmed cases, followed by India with more than 19 million cases. Coronavirus has infected more than 151.7 million people across the world and claimed over 3.18 million lives. This is Janata Bulletin. We'll be right back after a short break. Welcome back after the break. We continue with other national news. The government has issued prohibitory orders in 23 districts in collaboration with the local government. According to the Home Ministry, prohibitory orders have been issued in 23 districts as of yesterday evening. Among them, the restrictive orders have been enforced in 19 districts. The districts where prohibitory orders have been enforced include Bake, Surkhet, Kathmandu, Lalitpur, Bhaktapur, Kaski, Kailali, Parsa, Kanchanpur, Dang, Palpa, Chitwan, Rupandehi, Salyan and Sunsari. The prohibitory orders have been partially imposed in Kalikot, Baglung, Bardia and Darchula. And now the news from the Economic Fund. Amid increasing cases of COVID-19 infection, the government has issued permits to 43,000 teams to scale Mount Everest for the spring season, a report. The Department of Tourism yesterday released the data of expedition permits for the spring season. The department informed that a total of 408 climbers, including 93 women from 43 teams, have received permission to climb Mount Everest. According to the department, altogether 742 climbers of 85 expedition teams have received permission for this season. The government has collected royalties worth Rs 714.8 million from the climbers. Mount Everest alone contributed Rs 660 million in royalty to the state coffers. Director of the department, Meera Acharya, said that the expedition is expected likely to kick off this week if weather becomes favorable. At present, most of the expedition teams have reached the Everest Base Camp. The expedition during last season was halted due to COVID-19 pandemic. Time for a short break here at Janata Bulletin. Stay tuned for international news. Welcome back. Now the international news. High school students were among 30 people killed in a car bombing in Afghanistan, BBC reported. The bomb went off late on Friday close to a guest house where the students were reportedly staying in the capital of Eastern Logar province. Dozens of people were hurt. Witnesses described roofs collapsing and victims being trapped under the debris. No group has claimed responsibility for the blast. Afghanistan has seen a surge in violence since US President Joe Biden announced US troops would withdraw by September 11. You're watching Janata Bulletin, and now the latest from the world of sports. Southampton held Leicester City to a draw in Premier League despite playing more than 80 minutes with 10 men. Yannick Vestergaard was controversially sent off after just 10 minutes when his tackle on Jamie Vardy was deemed to have denied the Leicester striker a goal-scoring opportunity. That decision set the game's pattern, Leicester proving while Southampton defended deep, but it was the Saints who looked into the lead in the 61st minute. Jody Evans equalized 8 minutes later, but Southampton's defense held firm. We are at the end of Janata Bulletin and the headlines once again. Coronavirus claims 33 more lives across the country. Number of active cases rises to 38,000. Government imposes prohibitory order in 23 districts. Restrictions imposed partially in 4 places. 43 teams granted permission to scale Mount Everest, climbers to begin their expedition this week. Car bomb kills 30 people in Afghanistan, high school students among those killed. And 10-man Southampton frustrate Leicester in Premier League, Vestergaard controversially sent off just 10 minutes. And that's all from the English News Desk for today. You can follow Janata Television and our programs on various social media platforms, including on our website, janatasamachar.com. Keep watching Janata Television. Namaste.